Tailscale versus ZeroTier versus Twingate. What's better? So, if you're trying to connect devices across different locations like your home office cloud servers or even your phone, you've probably seen the names like Tailscale, ZeroTier, and Twingate. They all help you build a secure network over the internet, but they work in many different ways and serve different needs. So, now let's start off with Tailscale. So, Tailscale is built on top of WireGuard protocol, which means it's fast, secure, and reliable. What makes Tailscale special is how easy it is to set up. You install the app, log in with your email or company account, and all your devices just magically connect. No port forwarding, no special networking skills needed. Tailscale creates what's called a mesh network, which each device talks directly to the others. It's great for developers or even remote workers and teams who want a simple way to connect securely to their stuff without dealing with firewalls or VPN headaches. Now let's go ahead and look at ZeroTier. Alright, ZeroTier also helps you build a virtual network, but it does things a bit differently. It creates a virtual Ethernet network, which makes it feel like all your devices are on the same local network, even if they're actually far apart. That gives you more flexibility for things like gaming, IoT devices, or advanced networking setups. You can do things like assign static IPs or even bridge networks, but it can be more technical to set up compared to Tailscale. And finally, there is Twingate. Alright, so Twingate takes on a different approach. Instead of building a mesh network like Tailscale or ZeroTier, it focuses on zero trust networking. That means users don't get full network access, only secure access to specific apps or services they are allowed to use. Twingate is really built for companies that care about security and access control. It's great for managing employee access to cloud services or internal tools, but it's less about connecting your personal devices and more about protecting business infrastructure. So what should you choose? So Tailscale is perfect if you want something easy, fast, and secure. It's great for developers, hobbyists, and small teams. ZeroTier is better if you need more advanced networking features or want to simulate a local network across devices. And then we got Twingate, which is ideal for businesses that want tight control over who can access what, following a zero trust model. In the end, they all help you create private, secure networks, but how they do it and who they're for is what really sets them apart.